Warning, this video is filled with filth, pun intended.
Just when you thought your house was clean. Oh my goodness, are you serious? I just vacuumed the floor. You want to see something disgusting?
Not particularly.
This.
Ew.
That is my hair. The majority of it is my hair. And I cut my hair out of the vacuum cleaner probably, oh God, honestly once a month, but I should do it like once a week.
I'm repulsed by the lack of care you take in your home.
I mean, I could unscrew this, but it's just more fun to cut. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut this.
You prefer to be stubborn?
I like using these little scissors. It's easier for me to get in here. Plus these are really sharp.
I hope you sterilize them afterward.
You can also use a razor blade if you don't have scissors or don't want to use scissors to cut this. Okay, I'm gonna pull this nastiness out. This is so embarrassing, but it's also just, you know, hey, if you're losing your hair like I am.
You are gross.
Yep. Or like if you just had a baby and you have a lot of hair fall, I definitely recommend you check your vacuum cleaner brush and clip all this out. So gross.
Like I said.
Can't get that last bit. Ugh, what is that?
I don't know.
Thread. I like this cute little glitter. Oh, this is so disgusting.
My hairbrush is worse than that.
It's like a train wreck. I can't stop watching.
Oh my god. Looks like someone snatched your weave.
Yuck.
Ew.
Empty your canister every time you vacuum, after every time you vacuum, because it helps with your suction tremendously.
That's what she said.
I vacuumed my entire house and then I emptied the canister and I also got rid of the hair that was in the brush roll. After I emptied the canister and cleaned the brush roll, and let me show you what I got after I vacuumed again.
You have a disgusting carpet.
So this is what I picked up in my house after I had already vacuumed once, and then I emptied the canister and I cleaned the brush roll. This is what I got on my second attempt of vacuuming the house. And my house is really not that dirty. But then again, you look at this and you're like, wow, that's disgusting.
Welcome to the freak show.
Also, make sure you clean your filter. I know it says to clean it every 3 months, but if you clean it once a month, it'll make such a huge difference. So I have it on my back patio, air drying, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna vacuum my house for the third time.
Brilliant.
Okay, so it's nice and dry, so I'm gonna put it back in. There we go. And then slip this right on here. And clip the sides. Alright, and as you can see, the canister is empty. I am going to vacuum my house for the third time. And I vacuum probably 5 days a week. So it's not like I haven't vacuumed my house in forever. Cleaning out your vacuum cleaner will make you see how much dirt you're actually not picking up. Alright, I just finished cleaning. I can already see it's full. What is that? How did I even... What? Okay, let's just see what's in here. I'm just like really curious. I'm really curious to see what's in here.
So am I.
Oh my god, I was not expecting it to be this much. Okay. Oh my god, what is that? I don't even remember going over some pink and yellow paper. What is that? Definitely suctioning or cleaning this out makes a huge difference. Now that I have cleaned the vacuum out and vacuumed 3 times, I'm really curious to see what would happen if I vacuumed one more time. Okay, I'm tired.
I am tired watching you.
This is after my 4th time vacuuming. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? This is so gross. Oh wow.
Brilliant.
You have a disgusting carpet.
I'm gonna go dump this on the front porch. That's pile number 2. So this is pile number 3. I'm not sure where this pink paper came from. I think it was underneath my dining room table. I must have missed it.
Wrong.
Oh my goodness. I cannot believe that this came out of my carpet in my house. Like, how many times does a girl need a vacuum in order to get her house clean? Sheesh.
You tell me. This is your video.
Just when you thought your house was clean.
You said that already. You thought wrong.
Well, I will say this is a really nice vacuum. What I like about this is that it has this little attachment right here, and you can take it off like that, and then snap it back on. And then there's another one right here that you can just press and take off, but you need 2 hands to do it. Let's see if I can do it with 1 hand. No, I can't. But here. There, I just pressed it so that it comes right off. Yep. Pretty awesome. And then I have the attachments up in here. Which, you know what? I should use these.
Yes, you should.
See what other kind of crap I can get. But you know, I'm really tired. So, I don't know, maybe another time. This one would be really good to use.
I'm impressed, and will subscribe to your channel. Please share this bloody disgusting video with every person you know.